Hello guys, I've been thinking, how do I structure LLM research? So do I tell other people what to research exactly, or should I let other scientists decide what they should research? And the answer, I believe, is the second option, where I should let other scientists decide what they should research. The first option, where you tell somebody what to research, is usually when you're building a product. So you talk to the users, you see their problems, and you go and solve their problems. But when you're doing like the pure research, you don't know like what to do even. So there is no like a problem to solve, or there is no the best problem to solve, or there is no like somebody paying you money to solve this specific problem. Then there needs to be a lot of thought put into like what is the best thing to research, what is the best thing to do. And every scientist will put a lot of thought, a lot more thought than you can put into it. So I would say the way I want to do this right now is just let people do what they want to do. So everything is open source. We have this Blueberry LLM. Now the only goal is to improve it. So make it train faster, better, more intelligent, whatever anybody can do. So if you go here into experiments, you can do experiments, you can learn with us. For example, we have first experiment, I did this one. So I tried different architectures. You see, for example, this pink architecture was actually better in the beginning, but actually now this green architecture overtook it later. You can check this. So I'm trying to compare DeepSeek sparse attention plus gated delta nets. So some layers of the LLM using this attention and the other layers using this attention. And I'm also trying to use like standard attention and all this stuff. But what I want to say is, for any of you in my community in Discord, or any of you watching this, you want to do AI research, you just clone this. You can come to my Discord. We will like work on this together. Everything will be open source. We open this to everybody. And experiments, you create a new experiment here. That is, you fork the repository, create experiment, do your experiment. So here in the models, I have for now DeepSeek and Qwen3 Next. Qwen3 Next is not same as Qwen3 because Qwen3 Next also has like linear attention. Maybe I'll also add like Qwen3 architecture, although it should be, maybe this can be also used. So you can import stuff from here, from these models, and do experiments. And below here, for example, I have these two questions and I have these two answers, but I'm gonna, like, we need to do more work here because these are actually quite complex questions. It could take months to answer them. And then also make sure to read this contributing, how to contribute. And for every experiment, I will give some feedback to you, improve it, tell you how to improve it, and then I will add you here once like the experiment is finished. So make sure you understand like what you're doing. Don't just generate code with AI, but understand what the AI is doing, fix it. And it doesn't have to be complex, but it does need to be finished, and you need to understand what you're doing. Even a small experiment where the results are negative, where you didn't manage to improve, is still good. I will still include it because we will learn that this way doesn't work, but it just needs to be like finished. And the goal with this Blueberry LLM, I want this to be LLM that anybody can train, even like for $1, for $10, up to maybe thousands or millions of dollars. It should be automatically, like, it should adapt itself to the whatever the configuration, the GPUs and stuff. Although for huge setups, huge GPU clusters, it could be very difficult to automatically adapt it. But nevertheless, this experiment is open. We want to have it open and we want to work on it. Hopefully one day this can reach like the frontier LLM. Maybe if not like the best LLM, it can be like DeepSeek level, where it's just a little bit behind frontier LLMs. And fully open source, and I'm gonna make almost daily videos about documenting everything we do. Here on my school, Become AI Researcher, you can learn to be AI researcher, 7-day free trial, $9 a month. I have new math lessons here, videos coming soon as well. Other lessons for LLM, PyTorch research are all coming soon. When some experiments are done successfully, when they show good results, we will add them to the main code. So either new models or new experiments, new configs, anything. And that's how we want to keep improving this Blueberry LLM. And eventually I want to, like, I'm trying to get more compute right now, and eventually I want to like find big investors, buy a lot of GPUs and stuff. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.